Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Shopify collection page SEO. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you are not getting enough sales or you are not satisfied with your sales, then you must have to watch this video because here you are going to learn how you can get massive audience or target customers from the search result and why your sales is not enough right now to make you satisfied and what you are actually missing just not working with SEO for collection page. So here I have created a slideshow to present everything in a easy OS so that you can understand everything very easily. So first of all, here is the title of this slideshow that is very relevant with this video title: Shopify collection page SEO, why your categories page are losing traffic and the exact framework to fix them. Here you are going to learn the exact framework to fix this issue and stop losing traffic from search result from Google search or AI search. Here is the problem in number. Your collection pages are your biggest traffic opportunity, but maximum Shopify users don't know about that, even they don't care about it, and most store waste it. Here you can see there are three highlighted reason: collection page beat product page for high volume commercial keyword. You can learn more about this when you start watching my SEO playlist. I have already made a multiple Shopify SEO optimization playlist with live project, so you can start watching this video. Then what Shopify actually does for you. Shopify set up the page, it does not optimize it. This is the main things and this is the main reason why maximum Shopify store owner lost traffic from the collection page and cannot increase their sales using the benefit of get traffic from search result. So Shopify in generally auto-generated a title tag from your collection name, a canonical URL, and a sitemap XML entry. But it left entirely to you the meta description, the custom meta description for this unique collection, unique on-page content, structured data for AI search answer, and any control over filter URL. So if you don't fix this issue, then you cannot get traffic or rank your collection page. This is the main things you must have to consider. And here, why this page matter more than you think. Collection rank for the search that convert. And here is the two comparison. You see, product page rank for long tail specific query, but collection page rank for high volume commercial term. The framework, the G.R.I.D framework, 4 tricks apply to every collection page in this order. That's mean if you follow this framework, then you can fix this collection page SEO. So what is this in here? First of all, grid content, unique copy Google can actually read. You must have to add unique content on the individual collection page. Robot and routing, stop wasting crawler budget on filter. Internal link, send link equity where it count data and schema, structured data plus fast stable grid. Grid content, give Google something to index. 150 to 200 word per collection is the sweet spot, enough for keyword and semantic content. Grid content execution, where and how to write it. Placement, short into above the grid, longer content below it. That's mean when you start working in any collection page on your Shopify, then you must have to add a into content on the top of this collection page and add details content or under the main title. Your filter are quickly eating your corral budget. 5 filter type with 100 of value each can mathematically produce thousands of near duplicate URL. Most themes let Google crawler and index everyone. So you have to work on there to stop crawling in duplicate URL or count one product as a multiple duplicate URL. Robot and routing code. The two rules that stop bleeding. Here is the rule one: block low value filter combination. You see, and the theme canonical for anything left correlable. And the finally internal linking. Stop linking to the page you don't want rank. And here is the data and schema layered, not just one type. Add collection page schema, batcom list schema, product schema per item, both together. A slow git rank ors no matter what you write. 5 mistake, 1 pattern, untouchable auto title, 0 unique content, index filter bot, missing schema. How to audit your own store? Find the lag before you fix them. Search console. Check page duplicate without user selected canonical to see what Google is already flagging. Site corral. Corrals your site sort by the canonical column. Any collection pointing elsewhere is a duplicate to fix. Index at 0 impression. Filter URL sitting in the index with near 0 impression are your corral budget drain. Block this fast. And here is your next step. Pick your top 5 collection. Fix this first. Start with clear G this week. Then work through R, I and D once collection at a times. So this is just an overview about Shopify collection page SEO issue, missing the opportunity and how to fix it. But if you want to learn properly and want to watch practically to learn, then you can start my Shopify SEO optimization playlist, that where I have shared everything with live project and you can learn everything in details. Also I have published another playlist that is Google Search Console and Google Analytics, so you can also watch this video. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.